All right, so I'm going to be cutting out this piece here today and replacing it with something that's similar to it. Yeah, this actually was a rust hole, and it's full of Bondo. I'm more or less going to slice it straight down, across, and back up again. I've got some metal here that I'm gonna shape up. Well, not shape up. It's just gonna be a long piece that is all of. What is that? Yeah, let's take a look. God damn it! Come on. So what? Half an inch. Ish. Half-ish an inch. Actually, half an inch. Yeah, half an inch, and that's 21 from here to here. I've got 21.5 inches long. I think I've got 23 inches here. That's what she said. Yeah, 24. So that'll be pretty easy. And I got a nice long, better than my ability, straight edge right there. And that may be all I do tonight. I've got this other longer piece under here to do as well. I've got this piece here, the horizontal, to kind of straighten out, as you can see in there. And that won't be too tough, but I don't think. But this is going to give me a little bit of, I think, issue. Because if I slice it off here at the corner, I've got some straightening here to do, and I need to make sure I've got a uniform width all throughout. All throughout. And there, it doesn't look too bad. And I've got this piece that comes down here to do. I don't know if I'll do this. I don't know. Maybe. Anyway, so I've got some forming and metal work to do. That's been shaved off. Got some work in here to do. I'm going to just weld that in. This piece, the top one, is part of this piece. I suspect there was a prior repair in the past. I may just weld it all together for the sake of strength. I've got this to kind of bend down. And that's how it looks on the inside. Got this to bend down and make horizontal. Kind of flatten out. You can see some of the Bondo. Oh, I didn't get some of that. Oops. When I had gotten it all out. When I removed the, what do you call it, the parcel shelf, that thing, the cowling floor I've been calling it, it was filled in with a lot of Bondo. So I think there was some, I know there was some repair in the past. There you go. So, some welding and some straightening. Yeah. All right, so I've been able to pound this flat and get out all the little seams and things. Some of the work needs to be a bitch. So once I cut off this portion here and shape it, I'll then flatten out what's in there. But I'm just about to weld on, where is it? This little sucker. And I'll go bit by bit by bit, nice and slow. And yeah, kind of excited. This is kind of nice, kind of a nice little project. I need to flatten this out though. I think, oops, flatten this out a little bit anyway. It's actually not too unflat. It's not bad. Yeah, cool. Done, at least for this part. This. I've got some, I think, decisions to make on this stuff here. It feels awfully thick, and I think it's because there's some braze in there. I don't know. Maybe I'll Yeah, there's some braze weld. Whoops, braze weld up in here. I think what I'm going to do is just grind it down. Got a little bit of God dang it, grind that down. Make it nice and what do you call it? God damn. Flat. That's what I'm looking for. Anyway, so I've got this in. I need to weld it there. I think what I'm going to do is take it down just a little bit and weld it like that. You see that? And fill in that hole. And yeah, not bad, not bad. See how it looks on the inside. Did a little work in there too. I welded from both sides for strength. I've got a hole there. Do I have a hole there? Yeah. Right there. I'll fix that. More weld, I think. So for tomorrow, I am out of cutting discs. This is the biggest I've got. I've got a few left. Got a couple flapper discs there. Got a grinding disc there, but I think I'm done with cutters. So I need to get some cutters. Some more of that stuff. This is good stuff, boy, I tell you what. And I'll cut this off. This is actually pretty stout metal, so it needs to be so it doesn't flop around when the valence is tied to it. Yeah. So there we go. Done for the night.